Hi guys, welcome to I Review Beauty channel, the encyclopedia of beauty brands. I have in my hands the toothpaste. I've had a lot of products by Nature's Answer. All of them were for periodontal health, so if you're interested, just find them on the channel. So this toothpaste is Periobrite. It's naturally brightening toothpaste with CoQ10 and folic acid. It also has a bunch of really other great ingredients, and what's good, it actually gives you the ingredient, the benefit. So you know why each of the products are actually used in here. So for example, the black walnut is for oral cleanliness, the clove is for oral care, the folic acid is for cell vitality, and sodium, like baking soda, it's a natural cleanser. Prickly ash bark is a mild tonic. It gets up laying here. So it's really an amazing list of ingredients. This toothpaste obviously does not have any fluoride in it. It's safe for children 2 to 6 years of age, but supervised. And you could use it after meals or at least twice a day. And I could also say that it has no SLS, no artificial sweeteners, no preservatives. It's soy-free and vegan. It's gluten-free as well. So basically, it naturally brightens, soothes, and refreshes. It has only natural ingredients, and it's suitable for, as they claim, the entire family. So it's a good toothpaste to use if you want a natural approach. Yeah, natural approach for your teeth. And gums for periodontal health. If you have any questions, let us know. If you have any products that you think work the best for that purpose, or any natural toothpaste, welcome to share it with us. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you later.